Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Callaway golf bag is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any golfer, offering a perfect blend of functionality, durability, and style to keep your clubs and accessories organized and protected on the course, ensuring you have everything you need for a successful round. Number 5. UNIHIMAL 15-Way Organizer Golf Cart Bag. Introducing the UNIHIMAL Golf Cart Bag, designed with 15 individual compartments to keep your clubs perfectly organized and protected from damage. Don't let the weather stop your game. This bag includes a dedicated rain cover to keep your clubs and gear dry, ensuring they remain in top condition. Moving your gear is a breeze with its user-friendly handles. It's easy to carry and place on a golf cart for seamless transitions on the course. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, this bag offers excellent abrasion resistance for long-lasting performance and reliable protection for your valuable golf equipment. With ample storage beyond the 15 club dividers, you'll find plenty of extra pockets. Conveniently store apparel, shoes, gloves, and all your other golfing essentials. What we like. This cart bag offers exceptional club organization with its 15-way divider system, ensuring every club has its place. It also comes with a rain cover to protect your gear. If you're looking for a spacious and well-organized bag that can handle various weather conditions, this is a solid choice for the dedicated golfer. What people say. Compartments and pouches for all my golf gear. Attractive design. Tons of space. Not too heavy but has great organization and protects all the clubs. Strap is very nice and very stable on the course or back of cart. Great golf cart bag. Very well designed bag with plenty of storage pockets. Really attractive appearance. 15 dividers for clubs, keeps everything organized. Number 4. Callaway 4-in-1 Golf Divot Repair Tool. Introducing the Callaway 4-in-1 Golf Divot Repair Tool. It's the perfect gift for any golfer, packed with multiple functions for the course. Crafted from durable zinc alloy, this tool is built for longevity. It's sturdy enough to easily repair any divot on the green. Experience ease of use with its compact and ergonomic design. It fits perfectly in your hand for comfortable handling. Easily mark your ball with the improved magnetic ball marker. It features the iconic Callaway logo for a touch of style. This all-in-one tool simplifies your game. It's designed to enhance your on-course experience with ultimate convenience. What we like. This compact tool combines multiple essential functions for the golf course, including divot repair and ball marking. Its durable construction ensures longevity. If you appreciate convenience and want to carry fewer items, this multi-tool is perfect for keeping your pockets uncluttered and your game smooth. What people say. It also includes a ball marker, groove cleaner, and a bottle opener. Everything you need during a round is right there. The metal prongs are strong and don't bend easily, even on hard greens. The ball marker is magnetic and stays in place securely. It's lightweight but durable, and a foldable design makes it safe to carry around without snagging pockets. Number 3. Founders Club 3rd Gen Club Lock Organizer Golf Cart Bag. Tired of rattling clubs and damaged irons? This bag features a 14-way organizer top, giving each club its own spot. You'll always find what you need quickly and know if anything's missing. Lifting your bag is no longer a chore. With its lightweight construction and multiple integrated handles, getting your clubs from the car to the cart is a breeze. Never run out of space again. This bag boasts 9 zippered pockets and 2 mesh pockets, including an insulated cooler pocket to keep your drinks chilled. Enjoy a more streamlined game. It includes an external tee holder, umbrella holder, and AD clip for your accessories, plus a snap-on rain hood for unpredictable weather. Play with confidence. This bag comes with a full 12-month warranty from a trusted US-based golf company established in 1990. What we like. This cart bag features a unique 14-way organizer top with a club lock system to prevent rattling and damage. It also boasts an insulated cooler pocket for your beverages. If you prioritize quiet rounds and keeping your clubs in pristine condition while enjoying a cool drink, this bag is designed for you. What people say. My clubs fit and they don't clunk around, which is the biggest reason I bought this bag. It has lots of storage area and came with a rain cover. The full-length dividers really protect my clubs. Number 2. Founders Club 3rd Gen Club Lock Golf Cart Bag. Introducing the latest innovation in golf cart bags. Designed to keep your clubs organized and protected, it's the perfect companion for any golfer. With its 14-way organizer top, each club has its own dedicated spot. This prevents rattling and damage, ensuring you can always find the right club quickly. Crafted with high-quality, lightweight materials, this bag features multiple grab handles and a sturdy base. Transporting your clubs is now effortless. Stay organized on the course with 9 zippered pockets and 2 mesh pockets. It even includes an insulated cooler pocket to keep your drinks refreshingly cold. Enjoy added convenience with features like an external tea holder, umbrella holder, and a glove holder. It also comes with a snap-on rain hood for unpredictable weather. Backed by a 12-month warranty and the reputation of a US-based company since 1990, you can be confident in your purchase. What we like. This cart bag features a unique 14-way organizer top with a club lock system to prevent rattling and damage. It also boasts an insulated cooler pocket for your beverages. If you prioritize quiet rounds and keeping your clubs in pristine condition while enjoying a cool drink, this bag is designed for you. What people say. My clubs fit and they don't clunk around, which is the biggest reason I bought this bag. It has lots of storage area and came with a rain cover. The organizer for the clubs is excellent. Number 1. LOVACE 14-way lightweight golf stand bag. Keep your clubs perfectly organized and easily accessible with our 14-way top divider system. Each club has its own space, preventing damage and ensuring quick retrieval. Enjoy a full day of golf without strain. This bag is designed to be lightweight and easy to carry, with padded shoulder straps for maximum comfort. Never run out of space for your essentials. With multiple pockets, including a cooler pocket, you'll have plenty of room for balls, tees, gloves, and more. This bag stands firmly on its own, ensuring it stays balanced and accessible. Grab your clubs quickly and keep your game moving without hassle. Built to last with high-strength, waterproof nylon. It's designed to withstand frequent use and keep your clubs and accessories dry in any weather. What we like. This stand bag is incredibly lightweight and features a 14-way top divider for excellent club management. The comfortable shoulder straps make it easy to carry. If you prefer walking the course and need a bag that's easy on your back while keeping your clubs organized, this is an excellent option. What people say. Very nice bag with plenty of space to store golf balls and other needed items. The LOVACE 14-way golf stand bag has a lot to like. It offers plenty of pockets, which makes organizing your gear simple and convenient. The bag is very stable when standing, so you can trust it on any surface. It also looks nice with a clean, modern design that stands out on the course. Bag is amazing. Has so much space and the cooler pocket keeps my drinks cold all day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.